In this video, I'm going to show you how to maintain your Bambu P1 printer. I'll show you both the items you need to do once a quarter, as well as those you need to do every month. Let's dive right into it. First, let's begin with the quarterly tasks. Before we begin, home your print bed. The first thing we're going to do is thoroughly clean the Z-axis lead screws with isopropyl alcohol. Repeat this for the screw on the other side. Next, let's take super lube and a Q-tip and apply it on multiple spots on the screw. Let's lower the bed and apply some more of the super lube with the Q-tip. Now let's raise and lower the bed multiple times to evenly distribute the lube. Next, we're going to apply some isopropyl alcohol to a microfiber cloth, and we're going to clean the Y-axis and Z-axis linear rods. Clean all three thoroughly. Next, we're going to take some super lube oil, apply it to a microfiber cloth, and thoroughly coat the linear rods. Now let's proceed to the normal maintenance we do every month.
The first thing I'm going to do is check the AMS, specifically the desiccant, to make sure it's not used up. It's color changing, so it should be easy to see. The humidity sensor inside that I put in says it's 10%, so it probably is good, but let's go ahead and check it to make sure. All right, so let's take a look. And everything, as you can see, is still bright orange, so we are fine. Let's go ahead and put it back. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll close that back up. And I will go ahead and we need to go ahead and remove the AMS from the top of the unit. All right, so the first thing we need to do is remove the AMS here. So let's push this in and pull that out. And then up here, we need to disconnect this cable. So now we can go ahead and take the AMS off. Okay, let's start by cleaning the top glass. Lay that down. Wipe it down really good. Okay, now I'm going to take out the glass carefully here. Let's turn it over and clean the bottom. Okay. Okay, and let's go ahead and put that aside for now. So the first thing we want to do is clean the carbon rods. So I'm going to take a little bit of isopropyl alcohol here on a cloth and just go ahead and carefully clean these. All right, that's clean. Let's do the next one. Okay, move this out of the way a little bit and do the other side. Okay, they look, they're nice and clean now. Let's check this. Let's see how the scraper looks. Everything looks good there. Okay, tubes look good here. So now we're going to use our USB compressed air blower and kind of blow out, clean all the dust out of here. And we'll also do the fans while we're here as well. So now let's carefully take the extruder cover off. Oh, the fan hasn't been on. Okay, we got to make sure we put that back. All right, so we took the extruder cover off. Let's blow out the extruder here, make sure everything looks okay. Okay. And while we have it off, let's go ahead and blow the fan motor off. And then we'll reconnect it because it looks like the wire may have been off for a little while. Okay, now we're going to clean out the chamber fan with the blower. Okay, now let's go ahead and clean the camera lens. Again, some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free cloth. And let's go ahead and clean that really good. Okay. Now let's clean the back fan with compressed air. Okay, I think we're all done, and now we can put everything back together.
And there you have it. There's your quarterly maintenance steps as well as your regular monthly steps to keep your printer in tip-top shape.